Sticking to the Samsung news for a minute, because this one really caught my attention. Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G heading to Verizon first. Okay, you follow me on this? Note 10 Plus 5G heading to Verizon first. And then this next line is going to get your attention. Pre-orders get a free Note 10. You hear me on this? So I was out here yesterday filming, talking about how this is going to be such an expensive phone. Now, don't get me wrong. Maybe Verizon, maybe they require you to sign up. Yeah, look, it says with unlimited. So you got to have a plan and subsidies and blah, blah, blah. But still, if you're already a Verizon customer on an unlimited plan, or you're going to sign up for one, how about this deal? You buy yourself a Note 10 Plus, and they give you a free Note 10 standard. I think that's pretty cool. Now, the other interesting piece here is, of course, it's going to be a 5G variant. So 5G still a limited capacity in North America, the U.S. Verizon is only available in certain markets. They say 20 cities to be blanketed by the end of 2019. It is now live, their 5G network, that is Verizon's, in Chicago and Minneapolis, rolling out in other places. So a differentiating piece for them. You know, Verizon's got to love it. They say, hey, we got this hot new network, got the hot new phone for the hot new network, and you get one for your significant other. You know what a significant other is, Will?
I would like to know.
One day. No, Otis doesn't count, Will.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
You understand? Kirk's got a significant other. Mm-hmm. What do you think about a term? I don't like that term. Significant other. I got lots of significant others. Kidding me?
Yeah. It's a bit long, but...
Partner is worse than significant other. No, I don't know. People love partner. I don't know. I don't like any of it. Labels. Who needs these labels? Anyway, so that's kind of interesting. You are going to have to pre-order if you want to get that deal. And it also states in here, by the way, that the Note 10 Plus 5G is set to cost a few $100s more than the S10 5G. And the S10 5G is $1,300, Willie Do. So now you start to see my numbers here, my prediction is mapping out. Remember I said it was going to be around $1,500? Well, they're saying here, based on their information, it will be a few $100s more than the S10 5G. So are they saying $1,600? Damn! Smartphone prices 2019. Smartphone prices 2019. You see that, Will? They're taking people to the cleaners.
This is an amazing deal.
It's a good deal.
Getting two phones?
It's a good deal. But you still got to pay $1,600 for the first one.
I know, but if you sell like the other
Sell the second one.
Yeah.
Okay.
You could potentially sell the 5G version.
So you sell the standard 5G. Oh, you sell the plus 5G.
The more expensive one, yeah.
And keep the other one subsidized.
Right.
Willie, you're always out here, you know?
Always thinking.
You know what? It's one of your better moments.
Yeah.
So I hope the people appreciate when you get something like that from Willie Do.
Yeah, because it's pretty rare.
Yeah, because where are you going to get that type of insight on the internet in 2019? I don't know where else. So you sell one, you understand? Mm-hmm. And it subsidizes the cost of your own. Or, like I said earlier, you treat somebody, Will. Mm-hmm. You give Otis an extra.
Exactly. He could take his own photos.
Yeah. He's got to manage that Instagram account. He's blowing up. He's got to manage that count right there. He's got a lot of people in the DMs. They're not called DMs on Instagram, are they? He got people in the DMs.
Yeah.
Kirk gave me the nod.
He has his own makeup line coming up.
Oh, Will, don't joke about that. That's too topical. Don't joke about that. Don't you dare joke about that. So anyway, 5G phones, crazy expensive right now. Super fast. Going to be exciting to see them roll out. And Verizon with a special program here to give you two for the price of one, though the price of one, kind of the price of two, which reminds me of 2-for-1 pizza, where they were like, it's 2 for 1. But then the price of the first pizza is the price of two pizzas at the other place. Yeah. You see that?
That's how they get you.
Yeah, 2-for-1 pizza. That's a throwback right there. You don't know if you're not in this area. You don't know. But if you know, you know. And if you didn't know, now you know. Bring up the logo. Do they still exist, by the way? I don't know. He just found one. Established in, 1986 or something? I don't know, man. They're still doing it. 2-for-1 pizza. It was the hottest thing when it came out. When it came out, it blew people's mind. What do you mean 2-for-1 pizza? They were like, what do you mean 2-for-1 pizza? No one bought it. Every kid's at school. Like, how are you not going to get 2-for-1? So anyway, I haven't been there in a long time, but sometimes they do that because a lot of people, they're considering, well, I'll just pick up the OnePlus. What am I going to pay? $500-$600? Right? And they go, no. You get a free phone over here. But it's like, yeah, the original phone is $1,600. Sheesh. Anyway.